Do you understand the term dress to kill? Do you enjoy watching the movie Kingsman? Do you own a custom tailored suit? Then, young man, you have not lived life yet.
Many have the impression that making a custom tailored suit comes with an exorbitant price tag. Today, let us present to you the Cayman Tailor. A bespoke tailoring experience for the mass. With over 30 years of tailoring expertise, the Cayman Tailor offers high-grade quality clothing at an affordable price. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be featuring a project that is designed dedicated for men's fashion lovers out there. Watch and learn how we integrated our design expertise into understanding the operations of a tailor shop and how we added the masculine class to the interior design. At the end of this video, we will be sharing some tips on how to create your own Kingsman wardrobe design within your own property. As I was saying earlier, this episode is strictly for gentlemen. Ladies, if you would like to watch a dedicated video to a series of best wardrobe design, please give us a shout out at the comment column below. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. If you're not subscribed to us yet, do so now and click on that notification buzzer. Some time ago, we were approached by our clients to design a bespoke tailor shop. It got me rather excited as I am one of those who really love suiting up. When we first visited the site, we were thrown with a brief from our clients to have more than a quarter of the squared layout to be occupied as the operations office. Left with two large columns in the center of the space, we knew it was going to be challenging. That narrowed us to deciding the location of the operations office to be at the rear, as we wanted sufficient natural lighting to penetrate into the space, which was only coming from the front of the building. Another challenge we faced was that we were not allowed to display a signage at the outer side of the building, which leads us to only having a signage within the shop as the only option. We knew we needed to create a signage that is prominent to attract from the outside, and yet from the inside it needed to be pleasing. The signage design turned out not only being part of the key interior elements, it is also one of the most preferred Instagram-worthy spots for the clients. The moment you enter, an inverted shop front is created to portray a distinctive arrival to a gentleman's call. The first area as you enter is an introduction to buying a suit. A sophisticated display of the structure of a men's suit is paraded for an ease of viewing and explanation by the in-house tailor. The details of a proper suit are introduced, from Italian to British, from tapered to slim, classic to modern fit. All you need to know is stylishly displayed in a semi-private corner, which mimics an impression of stepping into your own personal walk-in closet. Naturally, after understanding the suit that matches your requirement, the tailor guides you to fitting. A step-up stage is surrounded by a 3-point mirror, makes the experience exclusive. Getting your measurements taken like a lord, being served with a distinctive class of exclusive service. Moving on to a long stretch of fabric and material display, which also holds as a fabric storage cabinet. The carpentry details to this area needed to be thoroughly discussed with the clients to ensure different materials could be specifically fitted where it was supposed to be organized. Creating a fluent flow for the space planning could ultimately complement the user experience. But the tip of the iceberg is where the design element kicks in to the space, creating the final touches, which brings out the bespoke Kingsman wardrobe impression. Let us share with you some tips on how you could create your Kingsman's wardrobe at home. Tip number 1. When your wardrobe is organized like this, wardrobe doors aren't necessary. Hence, colored carcasses are a must. Go with darker tonalities with wood grains. Number 2. Carpentry lightings is a must, highlighting your bespoke collection and giving a glimpse of highlights to the wood grain carcass, giving the entire wardrobe an exclusive visual impact. This could also be helpful when you have a large wardrobe and you're trying to locate your suit. Tip number 3. Go with darker floorboards with less vivid tonalities, or an alternative could also be thick wool carpets. This improves the acoustic of the wardrobe and also gives an elegant touch. Tip number 4. Use consistent hangers and space out the clothes evenly. Do not cramp up your wardrobe. Organize your wardrobe in advance, fold some clothes if you need into the drawers, and reduce those hangers. Tip number 5. Have pigeonhole compartment drawers to display your watches, cufflinks, ties, belts and other accessories. Best to have them in fabric or velvet finish to give it a more exclusive touch. Tip number 6. Choices of furniture and lighting should not be undermined. Leather furniture would give an elegant contrast from the fabric within the wardrobe. And the tasteful wall light selection could complement the details of the wainscoting carpentry details. Number 7. Full-length mirrors, especially in your wardrobe, the place where crucial selections are shortlisted. You will need to view yourself in full. Tip number 8. My last tip for today would be to show you a mood board of the selected color schemes which we applied to this project, which displays a laddish yet not too intimidating outcome to the design. Buying a suit is not just an attire. To some, it is an interpretation of art, vanquish with bespoke craftsmanship. To some, a suit is a collection, and such collection should be paired in parallel with good interior design. My name is Alex Lee, and I hope the tips in creating your ideal wardrobe could inspire you with yours. Do subscribe and share and keep the notification bell on to stay in the loop of more of our upcoming exciting episodes. Thank you for watching.